The United States Navy has welcomed a new aircraft into its fleet. This is not just another plane, it represents a leap in naval aviation technology. Its introduction marks a pivotal moment for those who serve at sea, designed to operate in the most demanding environments on Earth. From busy shipping lanes to remote stretches of open ocean, it extends the fleet's reach. It brings capabilities that protect national interests and deliver aid when disaster strikes. Its presence changes how the Navy sees the world, and how it responds. This new Sentinel is more than hardware. It is a tool for security and stability. Advanced features translate into greater safety for sailors on patrol. Better information means smarter, faster decisions at every level. Understanding each feature is key to seeing why this aircraft is a true game-changer. To understand this aircraft, we start with core specifications. These numbers define what the plane can do. Top speed surpasses predecessors, covering vast distances in less time. Operational range spans thousands of miles without refueling. High payload carries fuel, equipment, and mission gear. Next-generation sensors include powerful radar and HD cameras. Advanced listening devices detect and identify at long range. Stealth shaping and special materials reduce detectability in contested areas. A powerful onboard computer fuses data in real time. Secure links share what it sees across the force. Speed, range, payload, sensors, stealth, and comms, each adds a distinct edge. One of the most important features is speed. It flies much faster than the planes it replaces, a strategic advantage. In naval operations, time is often decisive. Speed shrinks the ocean, enabling rapid response. Search and rescue, every minute counts. Arriving sooner, scanning faster, more lives saved. For patrol and surveillance, speed expands coverage in a single sortie. It can quickly investigate and warn the fleet early. Speed is also survival. Accelerate away, live to fight another day. Offense, defense, rescue, patrol. Speed gives the Navy options and control. Range is how far an aircraft can fly on a tank of fuel. This aircraft travels thousands of miles without stopping, essential for a Navy operating across the world's largest oceans. It reaches remote operations from faraway bases, reducing local airfield dependence. Long range enables long-duration missions and persistent watch. Persistence builds a complete regional picture. In disasters, it flies direct, no stops, even if local airfields are damaged. Extended reach strengthens alliances and joint operations. Range expands horizons, ensuring the Navy can be where it must, when it must. Payload is the total weight the aircraft can carry: fuel, crew, and mission equipment. This airframe is engineered for significantly high payload. More fuel for longer flights, more sensors for diverse missions, more support gear. Carry multiple sensors at once: visual, infrared, and wide area radar. The right tool, right now, without returning to swap payloads. In crises, it delivers substantial aid in a single trip. It can airdrop rescue equipment and communications to teams below. Payload also means carrying protective systems that safeguard the fleet. A heavy and diverse loadout makes this aircraft a true multi-tool for the Navy. This aircraft is defined by its ability to see and not be seen. State-of-the-art radar detects ships and aircraft hundreds of miles away, even in bad weather. High-definition electro-optical and infrared cameras identify with precision, day or night. Together, they deliver unprecedented situational awareness and early warning. Stealth shaping and radar-absorbent materials reduce radar returns. Low observability lets it operate in contested areas at lower risk. It can get closer, gather intelligence, and avoid escalation. Stealth gets it into position. Sensors do the rest, quietly and effectively. Even if detected, it is hard to track and engage, keeping crews safer. Modern success depends on teamwork, how well platforms connect. Onboard computers process vast data in split seconds. Secure high-bandwidth links share everything it sees in real time. This creates a common operational picture for every friendly force. Commanders see what the aircrew sees, no guesswork. Instant threat data gives defenses maximum time to respond. It can guide unmanned systems, keeping people out of harm's way. Shared data improves joint and allied teamwork across language and service lines. Connectivity transforms separate platforms into one powerful, integrated network. This technology directly improves sailor safety and mission success. Detecting threats at great distance buys precious time to maneuver, evade, or defend, keeping crews out of harm's way. During delicate operations, it stands watch so sailors can focus. In disasters, it maps damage and identifies isolated communities. Rescuers go where they're needed most, faster. Guiding responders to people in peril saves lives. It helps coordinate food, water, and medical support efficiently. A guardian in conflict and a lifeline in crisis. True service to the nation. Fielding such an advanced aircraft is a major undertaking. Costs, maintenance, and training must be managed carefully. Though the price is high, efficiency and capability drive long-term savings. Skilled teams keep systems safe, reliable, and ready. Pilots, sensor operators, and maintainers train in state-of-the-art systems. The result is a transformative addition to the fleet. Speed, range, advanced sensors, and networking deliver decisive advantage. It makes sailors safer and boosts mission success at home and abroad. A powerful investment in security and stability, built to protect the seas for all.